Hey family, in today's video I'm going to share with you a hair growth remedy that grow my hair. If you're a new viewer, welcome to Gift Naturals and DIY. Click the subscribe button to join this family. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome and thank you for coming back. Our first ingredient is guava leaves, and this is very fresh. And our second ingredient is papaya leaf, which is also known as pawpaw leaf. This leaf is a hit, guys. Do not neglect the potency of this leaf on hair. They are very important. They are very powerful. Wash your leaves so they are clean. Divide them into small portions so that it can fit into the pots. Papaya leaves promote hair growth. It prevents hair thinning and it prevents dandruff. Guava leaves contain vitamin B and vitamin C, and these vitamins help to nourish the hair follicles and helps in hair growth. It increases hair volume. It also makes the hair shiny. And guys, this is a remedy for hair loss. Add the quantity of leaves that you need into a pot and add little quantity of water, say 50 cl. This is because the leaf itself contains water. Then put the pot on medium heat and allow to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the water changes color, bring down the pot and allow to cool. You can use this recipe as a leave-in or as a rinse out. As a leave-in, make sure you use your moisturizer, that is your leave-in conditioner, and seal in with your hair butter cream. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not. See you in my next video. Bye.